Let me ask you something. If real health advice actually works, then why does it struggle to go viral? Why does the truth about food, sleep, strength, and systems get ignored, while biohacks, powders, quick fixes explode? It's not about people being stupid. I don't think you're stupid. I think you're actually really smart and resourceful. It's really because the noise is louder than the signal. And if we don't learn how to communicate the truth properly, people will keep buying lies. Today, I want to unpack why that happens and what we're going to do about it. So look at this landscape. You've got influencers selling $1,000 gadgets. You've got supplement companies promising optimization. You've got grind culture telling you that you're weak because you want to sleep. You got ultra processed foods engineered to hijack your brain to make you feel and think a certain type of way. And meanwhile, the boring truth: eat real food, lift weights, make sure you get a good night's rest, and make sure that you install a system for your life. That stuff right there, that doesn't look sexy on Instagram, but it works. And here's the problem. The lie looks exciting, and the truth looks like responsibility. So people scroll past the actual solution and they buy the shortcut. See, most health coaches, they sell dieting. I don't sell dieting. I sell infrastructure, systems. I'm not talking to someone who wants to try eating better. I'm talking to the leader, the high performer, the person who wants energy at 7 p.m. on a Wednesday, the student who needs to focus for long study sessions, the entrepreneur who refuses brain fog because they got to get stuff done. This isn't for somebody who's looking for magic pills. This is for somebody who values systems over their own willpower. Because here's the truth. If you see yourself as a high performer, you can't keep fueling yourself like you're a crash test dummy. Simple as that. Leaders don't rely on caffeine and hope. They build systems. Now let's zoom out. Right now, being tired is just annoying. But what if nothing changes? What if 3 years from now, you're still operating at the same energy level? That's another 1,000 days of midday crashes, skipped workouts, short patience, saying I'm tired to your kids, peers, watching opportunities just pass you by. And this is not me being dramatic. This is trajectory. This is what it could look like. Health doesn't collapse overnight. It erodes quietly, silently. And most people don't realize it until it's screaming and beaming loud in their life. Now, I want you to imagine something different. Imagine you wake up 5 minutes before your alarm, no brain fog, you have a clear mind, and you actually get out of bed on time. Now it's 3 p.m., and instead of hunting for your sugar or caffeine fix, you're focused, you're locked in. And imagine this, when you get home, you're not collapsing on the couch and doom scrolling and just sinking into the couch after a long day. You're present. You're strong, you're engaged. This right here, what I'm describing, is not a fantasy. This is what happens when you treat your food like fuel and you install performance infrastructure. And no, this isn't about getting abs or being the strongest in the room. It's about your capacity to do. Now, let's be clear. I don't work with everyone. If you're looking for hacks or shortcuts or a magic pill, I'm not the guy. But if you're ready to build a system and to take ownership of your energy, then we should talk. Because I protect my space and I protect the people in it. Some people will say, I'm just too busy right now. And I get it. But here's the truth. If you're too busy to protect your energy source, that's a sign that your system is broken. You don't build infrastructure when life slows down. You build it so life doesn't break you. Busy isn't a barrier. It's actually a signal. Here's the system. I'm going to give it to you right here. Eat real food. Make sure to strength train. Make sure you get a good night's sleep. Make sure that you are behaviorally accountable. And make sure that you are in a community. And it's not flashy, but it works. And if you want the blueprint, if you want to stop grinding and start building, click on the link in the description. Apply to see if you qualify for this type of life change. But understand something. You are free to keep doing what you're doing. You're free to rely on your willpower. You're free to try another supplement. The choice is yours. But if you're ready to install a system and upgrade your identity, I'll see you on the inside. Because better health, better life is not just my slogan, it's infrastructure. It's a system that is backed by science and evidence that proves that you can be successful in doing those things. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, save it, share it. Help to change somebody's life. Help them level up today. Keep moving forward. Be well.